Moment in History 112. Reading the Declaration outside the State House. All men are created equal. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Free and independent. Pledge our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor. Such were the words which John Hancock was the first to place his name. On news of the Declaration spread throughout the colonies, many marked the event with public celebration, but others were left sobered and thoughtful by the solemnity of the words which read and the finality of the step that had at last been taken. There could be no turning back now.